All right, Sandy, what the heck is going on right now?
All right, we are about to do an RV tour for some new friends that we met that have a YouTube channel, the Grateful Glamper.
All right, where are they at? We gotta go find them.
Somewhere around here, so we're looking for them. I don't know what the RV is. We are a family of 5 that loves adventure, connecting with people, and trying something new.
Try something new every day. 4 years ago, we got rid of our house and all of our stuff and moved into an RV full-time to give us the freedom to explore the world.
Since COVID shut down international travel, we are back in the RV for more adventures until we get our sailboat sometime in 2021. So hit that subscribe button and let's get ready to try something new.
Welcome to Grateful Glamper!
Hey guys, what's up?
How are you?
We're doing great. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning,
I
Alaska.
know.
All right, so I say it all the time that I absolutely love the power of social media and how it connects people all over the world. Like, we've been connected to this awesome family right here, Grateful Glamper. Tell us what your channel is all about so everybody can check you out.
Yeah, so what we really try to do is just bring videos to people that are in the RV community, but also just families that want to be able to just go on their own adventures together, get out, explore, even if that maybe means it's something in their own backyard, like visiting a local state park, or if it's something more like what we're doing, where we're traveling across the country. So we just really want to inspire families and just bring ideas and tips of things that families can do and just go explore and have fun together.
So they are gonna give us an awesome tour today of their RV that they remodeled and customized to make their own. Let's go.
Come on in and check out our rig.
Can't wait. I heard there's some bunk beds in here.
Yes, I have bunk bed envy.
All right, so.
All right.
Going.
So give us the tour. First of all, I see this right here, which I have bunk bed envy to the max because we wanted bunk beds, but there was just nothing on the market when we were looking years ago. And so this is awesome. So tell us what you did here.
Yeah, so when we bought this particular rig, one of the must-haves that when we got this is we wanted more sleeping space for the kids, which obviously these weren't there. It was just one couch here and a couch on the other side. And so we had 2 kids just each having their own couch. So we took the couch out that was here and we built these custom. So I found this plan on a website called Rogue Engineer, which it's mainly 2x4s and then like 2x2s.
Great.
And then these are like memory foam mattresses that I got on Amazon. So we purposefully built the bunk where it's off of the floor. So underneath here, we've got like these roll-out tubs that we've kind of like rednecked together. Or we cut it and like, yeah, it's like duct tape and everything. But it's like each
Hey, you gotta do what works, you know? You gotta make it work.
And then just a bungee cord so they don't roll out, you know, like on travel days or whatever. So it's like now we have the couch that can be the couch.
Yeah.
And they have their beds that are the beds, and we're not like
That
competing
is
for
great.
space.
All right, so what's the next feature we got here?
So another thing we did is we ripped out the old dinette that had like the drawers and stuff in the bottom, but this cushion comes off and then you lift this up and you have all of this underneath here for storage.
Oh, that's awesome. So I'm gonna do a tester, all right?
All right, test
so
it out.
I'm gonna
tell
test
us,
it
tell
out.
us why you're testing
All right.
this out.
Oh, yeah.
Did you sit
That's nice, because I sit and work at our kitchen table.
Yeah.
And I have to put like a pillow under my butt. I have to put a pillow behind my back, and I'm just like, this is not comfortable. But this is like, it's like a couch. So Nixon came home yesterday after she looked at your RV, and she goes, they have a built-in coffee maker. And I went, get out, they have a built-in coffee maker? And so now I see it.
Yeah, and interestingly
Very
enough,
cool.
this was just how it was when we bought it. Like these I ordered from Mix Tiles. These are all pictures from like our different journeys. And so that's what we decided to decorate the RV with, is just all pictures from places that we've been and that we've traveled to, which is just a super fun thing, you know, like when you're traveling, you just look at all the places that you've been and...
Because ours is tile, like the sheets,
Yes.
like, but it's it's slats, you know.
So this is just a roll-out sheet vinyl, which made it very easy.
It looks amazing.
Yeah, and it's so much easier to clean up with like the dog and
yeah,
everything else.
And kids.
So what do you say to people that are like, how do you live in an RV? There's not enough room in the kitchen.
Oh my gosh. Like, look at this kitchen. Like, I
She yells at me
actually...
to get out of the kitchen.
I do, I yell at him to get out of the kitchen. No. But I have so much space. Like I will set up my Instant Pot. I do a lot of cooking with like my Instant Pot or the griddle, and I don't really use the propane stove that much, but I have used it before. But there's more than enough space to cook anything that you need to cook in here.
All right, so I just spotted something over here that I'm getting kind of annoyed with. Is the size of their fridge is like double ours. So, all right, show us the fridge here.
Yeah. So what I love about this fridge is actually like in our Sticks and Bricks, I can literally take everything that's in our Sticks and Bricks fridge and freezer and it will fit in here.
Oh, stop it.
So it's double-sided. I use a lot of these like bins from IKEA to like put things in so that way on travel days they're not like moving around and crashing into each other and stuff.
That's
but
bigger than our fridge in the house.
Not fair.
And then the freezer, same thing because it's double. So everything that's in our Sticks and Bricks freezer, I will put in here.
All right, what do we got back here?
So,
holy moly, we can walk around back here. This is amazing.
It's awesome. So we painted everything back here, and again, we've got like the mixed tiles and stuff like that. This is probably one of my favorite things that we have is it's an all-in-one washer dryer unit. So
what we tell people is that if the RV's shaking, it's the washer and dryer.
yeah,
all right.
like RV mattresses are horrible. So we put in, this is a memory foam mattress that we got on Amazon, and it's a 12-inch. In retrospect, a 12-inch is probably a little big. Probably could have gotten by with a 10-inch. But like this is so super comfortable.
But is it comfy? That's all there really
Oh my gosh,
matters,
it's so
right?
super comfortable.
Can I
and
sit?
oh yeah, absolutely.
Well, it's got the high density on the bottom.
I feel like a little kid
and then
on
the
here.
memory foam. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, but they still weren't that expensive. I think like the super long ones were like $55.
Yeah.
And like, so my newest RV hack is nanotape. So nanotape is double-sided tape. It's removable, it's washable and reusable.
Ooh.
And it holds like a ton of weight. So I've stuck these to the wall with nanotape, and it makes packing up like
Those
a
from
cinch.
IKEA?
No, these are actually two of our products from our company, Aroma Outfitters.
Oh, okay.
But as you walk in, the
can tell
toilet
the men line,
illuminates. And then we actually installed an automatic Cheerio dispenser here, so the kids have something to aim on. Yeah, so when they go pee, so every time you lift the lid, it dispenses the Cheerio.
And
No, I'm kidding.
Trinity does that too?
Joking.
That's pretty good. I like it.
That's
I was like,
roomy and clean.
It's clean at the moment.
that's our
Ours is too. It
We
better
spent the
be.
last 2 days cleaning it, trust me.
No
We
guarantees
know.
that it
Well, we had a lot of
20
organizing to do.
Just we're always trying to figure out like the best use of space, and it feels like RV manufacturers don't always think about that,
Oh, yeah.
right? It feels like you always run into like places where there's dead space, and like why did they leave this as dead space? And so one of those things is this is the original couch. We reinstalled it because there's like ductwork that comes underneath, but this whole piece was all like just one solid piece, and so you had all this dead space under the couch. And so what we did is we took it off and we cut it because it was just a solid board. So we made a cut here and put 2 hinges on, so you can actually pull this out and then put, bins or whatever
That's
under here for
great.
storage. Because other than that, it's just 100% dead space.
Messy right now, but we put in shelves like this, so you can use the bottom part of the shelf and the top part, so it gives you more room to work with on these cabinets that are really tall. Yeah.
He's got a camera section in his RV. I might have to step up my game a little bit. I gotta ask my wife if I'm allowed to have that much room.
No. All right, well, I want to thank you guys so much for giving us a tour of your RV, which is way more spacious than ours. And so now I'm going to go back to my RV and be like, this is today. But no, this was awesome. I love what you guys have done, the bunk beds. I mean, it's like the perfect home for a family of 4.
It really is
Yeah.
just like the perfect home. And like we like to think of it as our second home. Some people buy like a vacation house or whatever, and it's like we don't want that. We want to be able to move. We want the scenery to be able to like change.
huge.
We don't want the lake house or the cabin where you're always going to the same place all the time. We want to
Completely
explore.
agree.
So-
Yes, completely agree. All right, well, thank you guys.
Thank you.
Great! So thank you.
So cool.
So we have been trading stickers with other RV families for a while now, and so I'm excited. We get to put our trying something new sticker.
Slap
up
that
on
baby
the
on.
side. So
The mohawk is
the
up.
mohawk is up. Trying something new.
Yes.
Until next time,
We'll
see you on the road.
Make sure to follow us on Instagram, like us on Facebook, and subscribe to YouTube. And make sure every day you try something new.